Hey, you guys. Today's video is going to be my soft glam everyday mom makeup look. You know, every day we don't beat our face and all of that because we are busy moms, right? And we got stuff to do. So, I've already did my eyebrows. So the next thing I'm going to do is just a little primer. And if you see me looking down, I'm looking at my mirror. But this is just the Mary Kay primer. And I just take a little bit, you guys. A little bit goes a long ways, you guys. And I just lightly so, because I've already moisturized and did all of that.
Now I'm just putting on the foundation. I had to mix those two together just to get a better complexion skin tone for myself. But yeah, I just bat it with my hand. I know that's probably not the proper way to do it, but you know me, I don't really abide by the rules. And so I'm just using my beauty blender, the one that I showed you guys the other day in the TJ Maxx skincare haul. If you have not checked that out, go check that out. But yeah, I'm just going to blend this in and I'm going to let you listen to the music. Now I'm going in with my concealer, and I usually just put a little under my eyes, right in between my T-zone and my upper lip and my chin, just to give it a little brightening. You want to be very gentle around your eyes. If you see, I'm just lightly patting it down, and make sure you go in with a powder like afterwards. I didn't do that step because I really just don't do it all the time. But to keep your under eye tone from creasing after you put your concealer on, you can go over top of it with some loose powder. Sometimes I've even used baby powder if I was out of my loose powder, but you know me, I told you I don't follow the rules. And this is really like my final step. I put my lip liner on and my lip gloss, and I'm pretty much good for today. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, like, subscribe if you have not already. And yeah, as you can tell, this is pretty much what I do if I'm doing makeup. It's not every day, you guys, but like I said, when I want to do a little extra, this is my everyday, very simple, nothing to get alarmed about. Leave me a comment and let me know how you like this tutorial.